So over the past 40 years, men's testosterone levels have on average dropped by more than 40%. And this shift has impacted vitality, body composition, focus, and overall performance. In fact, men's obesity since the 1970s is up from 13% to 43% of adult Americans. Why did this happen? Well, environmental toxins, microplastics, seed oils, these are known contributors to hormonal imbalance and health disruption. Problem is, a lot of companies are using cheap and inaccurate at-home finger prick tests to measure their patient's health. This results in overlooking critical markers linked to energy, metabolism, and longevity. Not to mention, these fingerprint tests that are transported on a piece of paper to the lab are extremely inaccurate and just not a good option. I'm Dr. Had Mahmood. I'm a board-certified MD. I'm the founder of Zeus Men's Health. We believe that our treatments can only be as good as our diagnostics. We do advanced 60 biomarker blood tests, not just testosterone levels, but hormonal health, micronutrient status, inflammatory status, metabolic resilience, and longevity indicators. At Zeus Men's Health, we use a detailed lab-based approach to create customized health optimization plans designed to align with our patients' individual goals. For a limited time, the full advanced hormone and longevity panel, including a detailed consultation with me, your board-certified MD, is available for $300, a value normally offered at $795. Mobile phlebotomy services are available, providing flexibility to complete lab draws at home, in the office, or at a nearby center. Early identification of imbalances can be a crucial step towards achieving long-term vitality, strength, and performance. Learn more about Zeus Men's Health and schedule an advanced diagnostic assessment today.